So this is how sushi food looks like. They give you chopsticks. So this is like in one end it is already attached, and you should hold it like this and eat from here whatever you want to eat. Or if you are habituated to open it, you can also open it, but it's best if you hold it like this, right? Or if you let this thing to stay. The next we have in this packing is a bit of what you call in Indian language chutney, and this is the salmon. Okay, this is the salmon fish that you know, because this is salmon sushi. Some of it is also here inside, you can see, with this rice, and this is also the same salmon. Then what we have here is here, so this is a kind of sausage, and this is also a kind of sausage. So I'll add this to the salmon, add this also to the salmon. So this is the typical Japanese food. And now if I want to show the salmon to you, if you are habituated to eat it like this, you can eat it like this, or if you're not habituated to eat this like this, then you can just go for a small hot pot, just boil it for 1 minute or so, and then after that you are ready to consume this with the chutney or directly with your sushi meal. So you have to hold it like this and you can consume it. Thank you.